Students at Mesa Middle School were treated to a live drone presentation by Roswell police officer and RISD SRO Randy Rodriguez. In his presentation, Officer Rodriguez spoke on different types of drones, how drones are used in law enforcement, and he even allowed students to operate a drone while tracking down designated fugitives through the use of virtual reality headsets.
The main purpose is showing the kids that they have something to look forward to when they get older, whether they want to be a military drone pilot, law enforcement drone pilot. There's opportunities for them to be successful in their life. You know, a lot of the kids play video games, and this is exactly what that is.
Officer Rodriguez also encouraged the students to make wise choices regarding the law and indicated that drone technology is making it easier than ever to track and catch criminals.
I want you guys to think about your choices in life as well. If you guys decide to be criminals in the future, I wish you luck, okay? Because I will catch you. So I encourage you guys to be good human beings, please. Because if you don't, we have tools and capabilities to catch you guys out there, okay? So do your best to make good choices.